Hello everybody and welcome to Project Cardboard. In this video I'm going to do a quick review of all of my cardboard models that I have. Starting with the German U-boot. I made this a while ago. It looked really cool. It's just a nice looking submarine and a ship. Kind of a cross between a ship and submarine. I tried to do the details as well as I could. This was by far the most effort inducing model that I've made. Next up is the custom FZR600. I made this, actually posted it to YouTube under the FZR600 name, but over time I customized it, changed it, and now it looks like this. It's very stripped down. I love it. I'll never give it away. I just really like it so much. And I tried to make it look as properly spaced out and symmetrical as possible. And I just like it overall. The exhaust, the wheels, everything has a pretty good shape to it. Moving on. Next is the Hasselblad. This is a Hasselblad camera. Not many have heard that name, but if you are in the photography space, you will definitely know what a Hasselblad is. It is a huge name in the photographic industry, mainly in the luxury kind of photography industry, but it's so minimalistic, and making it with cardboard even adds to that minimalistic element, and I just think the two materials go very well. Next up, the Leica M3, I do believe. As you can see, I was on a roll of making cameras. I just somehow got into this film camera genre of stuff. So this one's really nice too. The material I made out of a thicker cardboard, so it's kind of nice. The viewfinder is see-through, so you can look through it. And it has a movable aperturing. And even the lens looks pretty nice. Moving up is the Leica, another Leica. This is a Q2, the Leica Q2. I made a video on it on here, full time lapse. You can go check that out. I'll put a card to it above. It's not as nice as the other one, but I still like it a lot for its minimalistic aesthetic. And it's okay. I really like it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Next is the Leica M9. This is very impressive. I don't want this to be so low in the line. It's not really so low, but something has to be low. So I decided to put this. It's really nice. I left it open, no lens, so you can see the sensor and the contacts for the lens and stuff like that. Moving on. Next is the Roliflex. I like the Roliflex. The Roliflex is very nice camera, very minimalistic, and I made it so a pencil holder. So as you can see, it holds pencils like that. And it was actually kind of out of need because I did need a pencil holder, and I just had the bright idea to turn the viewfinder into a pencil holder. So that's pretty much it. I made two, and I sold one in my Etsy shop, and I have one here. Moving on. Next is this. I even forgot the name of this. I made this a while ago. It's another Leica. It's a Leica older edition. It's one of the older Leicas. It's okay actually, but it's pretty low in the line just because I just don't like the design aesthetic. I built it pretty well. It's not badly made. Anyway, that's it. As for this one, I don't like it or not like it. It's in the progress of making, but yeah, I'm excited for this. I have high hopes for this bike, this calf racer I'm making. It should be as good as the FZR600 custom, but who knows? Okay guys, this is the HK Hunter Killer drone from Terminator 2. I made this a while ago. It's okay, I just don't like it too much, and as you can see, I don't like it. There's airsoft pellets in there. I shot it with my airsoft rifle. And let me remove that. But yes, I have abused it a bit, but honestly, it isn't so bad. It deserves better treatment than this. It really deserves better treatment. Anyway, that's for today, guys, and I'll see you next time. Please tell me what other videos I should make in the comments. See ya. Peace!